One, two, three, go.
7 a.m. That's early for me. We are going on a boat today though, so it's gonna be a good day. We've got the big group of all of us, and yeah, we're going on the boat. We're gonna go check out some islands, Maya Bay, PHI. So yeah, we're gonna go on this private boat. We rented it out for the day, have fun, shoot some content, all that good stuff, you know. So I'm here, woke up, Nap Patong, beautiful hotel. Back, feels good to be back in Patong. Weird to say that, but I honestly like it here. So we're just getting our breakfast at Nap Patong. We're like the only people here basically. Check it out. Got some nice fruit. All right, y'all, so we are packed up, ready to go. Boat cruise coming up. Check out the stuff. We got a whole bunch of booze and snacks, booze. We're about to make a movie, y'all. Get ready. Cue the intro. I'm with the friends. All right, y'all. Just got to Maya Bay. Check out the weather. Soaked. Let's see if it's worth it in the rain. I got the squad with me. Squad, say what up.
What up?
Welcome to Maya Bay. Pouring rain, but we're still doing it. Soaked, but we're making the best of it. As you can see, we're doing what we can to have fun. To me, it's worth it. I've already been here once, but once in a lifetime with your friends. Always make the most of it.
Welcome to Maya.
Welcome to Maya Bay. No. So guys, was it worth it? Yeah. Good time. Sunshine. 3, 2, 1. Ah!
Maya Bay.
One more. That's it. 1, 2, 3.
Hey y'all, so sun's out now. Sun's shining. We are about to go snorkeling. We just finished up at PHI Lagoon. Did a little PHI Lagoon in the rain. Now we're about to snorkel right here next to the cave. And yeah, it's gonna be a vibe, so check it out.
Alright guys, everybody's snorkeling. The sun came out. The water is blue. A nice tank. Look at Clay over there. Gina, say hi!
Oh, PHI Don!
PHI Don!
PHI Island!
PHI Island!
Sana, say it!
PHI Island! What do you say?
Basil saw from the backside.
Oh!
Yeah, we saw it already. That's how we knew it was here. Monkey want a banana?
puffy.
So you just missed it. You jumped
I'm
in.
jumping in the water.
You
Yeah.
jumped in for it.
Hungry. Oh, he's lucky.
Any winners?
All right, y'all. So we're here at PHI Island, stopping at some resort. I'll let you know what it is, but yeah, we're gonna go grab some food, have our lunch,
Brush our hair.
brush our hair, and catch a vibe on the island.
Catch a vibe.
All right, so just finished up lunch, and I'm about to fly off the drone from the island. So check it out. Up our lunch. We're walking back to the boat up here. It's shallow the whole way, so we'll be able to walk out.
Cheers!
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 So we on Kai Island and just did some snorkeling, and I figured I'd grab the I'd grab the GoPro to show you guys what it looks like, because it was really nice here. One of the best spots I've gone so far. Yeah, show you what it looks like. We saw a bunch of different stuff. The coral's really nice, a lot of fish, so check it out. Let's go. Checking into the Airbnb. Let's go up the elevator. First impressions?
Amazing. Yeah. Very comfortable. Very, very beautiful. Wow.
What a vibe. Woo! Holy, it goes even higher. Yo, I'm even higher.
Wow. I guess it's low tide, I'm assuming.
Yeah. Very low tide. There's so much space here.
Yeah.
I'll follow you everywhere you go.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we love it.
I'm super down.
Very beautiful.
Do you know what me and Sarah? Oh, baby, we're also the same birthday.
Yeah. Do you cry often, or do you have to like?
Do you cry often?
Okay, I haven't cried in 3 months or 2 months.
I'm so anxious. For like, you know what? I need to like enforce this shit, so I watch like that video.
Oh, that's safe.
She's waiting for us, babe.
You can feel emotional.
Oh, I like the little bob one.
Wow. What a vibe.
That's cute. Yeah. Oh my god, this chair is like very expensive.
This hair looks like
No, it's like this special like architecture chair.
Now for 2 days and then clean.
Are we allowed to wear those hats? Can we wear these hats?
Can you?
You can use? See?
Yes.
There we go.
Oh my god, they have a green one.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
They have a pink one.
Here, I'll get it for you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You know what it reminds me of? What's it called?
Yeah.
Sarah's already got her own hat. You gotta switch now. You gotta wear the blue one.
Which has glasses. And we'll just go based on that.
All right, let's move on to the next one. The blue room.
That one part I can pick between.
Yeah, well,
It's definite. Yo, I can't wait for this. On to the next one. Guys, it's the little things, right? Yeah, the hats. It's all about the hats.
Are you ready, Jen?
Stop, it's so cute.
This is your time to shine. All your dreams are gonna come true. Stop. Oh my god, so cute.
This is everything I wanted as a kid.
Well, now you get it for 3 days.
I love it, it's so cute.
Oh
my god, yes.
Every movie you said, you're like, it's even bigger than you think it is.
No, but just, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, the art is really big.
It's like a museum. Yeah. It's all like different vibes. So who designed this?
Husband and family.
Okay, the husband and daughter. He's a designer?
The decorator.
Or decorator? Decorator.
Wow, wow. Kudos to him.
I already thought the rooms were so nice.
Is there another floor?
No, this is just the ground floor.
Yeah, we didn't have to grab one.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
I'm literally so blown away. And we could even like open this area. Oh, it could be one. We have that. This is an Airbnb. This is a work of art. This is like one of those Airbnbs that be in a catalog where it's like top 20 best Airbnbs in the world. Like,
This is awesome.
wow. And then they have tanning beds. Obviously, you're.
So we got an elevator in the house, baby. Let's go. Check it out. Just leaving. Got a gate. Close up shop. Going out for dinner, baby.